Welcome back to the channel. Today's AI news is absolutely packed. We've got billion-dollar lawsuits, a viral TikTok trend that's taking over, massive tech shakeups from OpenAI and Google, and even a way for you to get Perplexity Pro free for a year just by using PayPal. And don't worry, all the links for every story are down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. All right, let's jump right into today's top AI stories. So the first segment is all about the biggest game-changing AI updates of the week. In our first story, we have big trouble for big tech. Authors are suing Apple, claiming the company used their books without permission to train its AI. Meanwhile, Anthropic just settled a similar lawsuit for $1.5 billion, the largest payout ever in a case involving AI and authors' rights. And now, Warner Brothers has entered the fight, suing Midjourney for allegedly creating AI-generated images of their copyrighted characters. This is huge because it sets the stage for how copyright law is going to shape the future of AI. Apple, Anthropic, and Warner Brothers aren't just fighting lawsuits, they're fighting over the rules that will be for the entire industry. Next up, OpenAI is making bold moves this week. They've announced a new AI skills certification program and a job matching platform designed to connect AI-trained workers with employers. This could become the LinkedIn of the AI world, giving people a way to show off their AI skills and land jobs in this fast-growing space. But here's the really wild part. Leaked reports suggest OpenAI is planning to spend $115 billion by 2029 on ChatGPT infrastructure. That's up by $80 billion from earlier projections. This massive investment includes building custom AI chips and expanding cloud computing power to keep up with demand. In the next story, Google's leveling up its AI tools by integrating Veo 3, its latest AI video model, directly into Google Photos. This lets you animate still photos, turning them into moving images with just a few clicks. At the same time, Broadcom's AI chip revenue jumped 63% year over year, hitting $5.2 billion in Q3. They've also partnered with OpenAI on a $10 billion deal to co-design AI chips, which could challenge NVIDIA's dominance in the AI hardware game. Our fourth story today, mark your calendars. Tesla's next AI Day is September 30th. We're expecting to see new Optimus robot prototypes and major updates to Tesla's self-driving technology. If Tesla delivers, this could be one of the most important AI events of the year. All right, it's time for AI Gone Viral. We're switching gears to the weird and wild world of viral AI stories. First, a woman got engaged to an AI chatbot. This one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. A woman named Wika went viral after announcing she's engaged to her AI chatbot boyfriend. The internet exploded with debates about whether AI companions should count as real relationships and what this means for the future of dating. Whether you love it or hate it, AI is certainly changing how people connect with each other. Next up, OpenAI's new autonomous agent tool is helping creators and marketers predict viral trends before they happen. By scanning social media in real time, it suggests trending content before anyone else catches on. Imagine being able to know what's about to blow up online hours or even days before it does. That's game-changing for anyone trying to grow a following. There's a bizarre new AI-generated video trend on TikTok called brain rot. It's a mix of surreal, random, and chaotic visuals that are strangely addictive to watch, especially for younger people. Some parents are concerned, and others are calling it the next major online craze. AI in action. This segment covers how AI is impacting jobs, industries, and everyday life. The Salesforce CEO announced that AI now handles half of their customer service workload. As a result, Salesforce cut 4,000 jobs while also reconnecting with millions of previously neglected leads. This shows how AI is changing the job market in real time. Big updates in healthcare AI this week. Oracle announced major upgrades to its electronic health record systems. GE Healthcare and NVIDIA partnered to deploy AI imaging models to thousands of MRI and CT machines worldwide. And in rural Appalachia, AI is now being used to detect early signs of heart failure, helping doctors save lives where medical resources are limited. The SEC and FINRA issued new warnings to brokers about using AI for investment advice, highlighting concerns over privacy and bias. Meanwhile, Siemens reported a 15% boost in production thanks to AI-optimized factory lines, a clear sign of how automation is reshaping the economy. Now for the strange and unexpected AI discoveries this week. Stanford researchers developed a virtual AI scientist that can design and run its own biological experiments. This could massively speed up scientific research and unlock discoveries at a pace humans alone could never achieve. And get this, AI-assisted astronomy spotted something bizarre. A star, possibly trying to swallow a black hole, which caused a strange supernova explosion. The AI detected the event and alerted researchers in real time, proving that AI can now help us catch rare space events we might otherwise miss. Google just unveiled AlphaEarth, a virtual AI satellite that can generate maps on demand for everything from disaster response to climate modeling. This could change how we understand and respond to global challenges. And here's a great tip to save you some serious money. PayPal, Venmo, and Samsung are offering a free year of Perplexity Pro. Here's how you claim it. If you're on PayPal, just open up the PayPal app on your phone, click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says Offers, and you can look for the offer Perplexity Pro. If you own a Samsung Galaxy device, simply download the Perplexity app from the Samsung store and it should automatically give you the free year. It's $200 worth of AI for free. And that wraps up today's AI News Roundup. Which story blew your mind the most? The lawsuits, the viral TikTok trend, or the free year of Perplexity Pro? That's mine. Drop your thoughts down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell so you never miss an update about the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another download from the future.